Hello everyone, welcome to TNT for NEET. In previous video we talked about the process of NEET counseling. If you didn't watch yet, then click on the I button. Today we will discuss about the new updates for NEET counseling. We discuss those points one by one. So without wasting time, let's get started. So the first point we will discuss is the important dates for counseling. The second is how to register for counseling, and the third is required documents for the NEET UG counseling. First we will talk about the website. So the MCC has announced the NEET 2020 counseling schedule on its official website. The website is mcc.neet.in. The counseling for all India quota seat will be conducted in 2 rounds. First, we will talk about the round first counseling. The important dates for round 1 are: registration will start from 27th October and will end on 2nd October. Payment facility will be available till 2nd November 7 pm. Choice filling will be start from 28th October to 2nd November. The choice locking will start at 4 pm of 2nd November till 11:59 pm of 2nd November. The process of seat allotment is held on 3rd and 4th November. The result of the first round counseling will be declared on 5th November. Reporting of first round will start from 6th November to 12th November 2020. Now we will talk about the second round counseling. The important dates for the second round counseling are 18 November to 22nd November till 3 pm. Registration will be held. Payment facility will be available from 19th November to 22nd November. Choice filling will be start on 22nd November till 11:59 pm. Choice locking will be available from 3 pm of 22nd November till 11:59 pm of 22nd November. The process of seat allotment will be held on 23rd and 24 November 2020. Result of the second round counseling will be declared on 25th November. Reporting for second round will be start from 26th November to 2nd December. Transfer of non-reporting or non-joining vacancy to state quota on 3rd December. It is only for the 15% all India quota. Now we will talk about the mop-up round. 10th December to 14th December, you will be able to register for the mop-up round. Payment facility will be available till 5 pm of 14th December 2020. Choice filling will be start on 22nd November 2020. 11 December to 14 December 2020. Choice locking will be available from 14 December. The process of seat allotment will be held on 15 to 16 December. Result of the mop-up round will be declared on 17 December. Reporting for mop-up round will be start from 18 December to 24 December. Now come to the next point, that is how to register for NEET UG counseling. NEET UG qualifier can visit the official website of MCC to register for All India quota. The registration is applicable for admission in MBBS and BDS seats in government and private colleges. The candidates will have to click on UG Medical Counseling and then New Registration. After filling all your details and submitting, the candidate will receive an OTP on their mobile. After entering the OTP, your registration will be completed. Now you will have to take the printout of registration for future reference. Apart from the NEET UG All India quota counseling process, NEET qualifier can participate in the state level counseling process and compete for 85% state quota seats. Now we'll discuss our third point, that is required documents. So the first document is high school and inter mark sheet, high school and intermediate certificate, identity proof. You can use your Aadhaar, birth certificate, category certificate if applicable. If the candidate is UR, then not applicable. Passport size photo. These are 6 in number. NEET admit card, NEET 2020 rank card, provisional allotment letter. This is all about NEET UG 2020 counseling. If it helps you, then please like the video. For more videos like this, subscribe my channel. We will meet in my next video. Till then, bye. Thank you.